Welcome to my shop. Today I'm going to be restoring this old hammer. I got it off a guy who had it for about 50 years. It has a bunch of cracks in the handle here. The head is all rusty, but that's no problem. I did find a new handle that is really close to the old one. It does need to be thinned out right here to match the old one because I do like the look and feel of this hammer. Now I know you can buy these new for like $20 or something like that. I just don't like to throw away old stuff sometimes. Besides, this thing just wants to hit something. And I like that old look, so I'm going to try and match that as close as I can. So let's get started. Here I have both handles. They're really close in size. You can see here how the newer one is just a little bit thicker, so I'm just going to take a little bit off that until they match. Okay, so I start here by taking the stickers off and getting some of that varnish or shiny finish off so I can get into really thinning out the handle and getting it to the shape and size that I need it to be. I found that just plain white vinegar and this crud cutter is the best thing to remove the rust. You'll see here I used the less expensive white vinegar to do most of the work. I usually let it soak for 2 or 3 days, and that seems to be enough time to get almost all the rust off. I use the more expensive but very effective crud cutter at the very end, and it gets whatever the vinegar couldn't handle. I found that if you soak the clean metal piece in some tea for a few days, it gives it a nice dark patina. Now it's time to fit the handle. This part usually takes me quite a few tries. I like to get it to fit just right, so be patient.
Okay, that will work. I think that fits pretty good. Next here, I just need to make a little room for the wedge. I need to get the handle to look a little bit more like this one. So I'm going to go ahead and add some white vinegar here to start the aging process of the handle. I usually apply at least 2 or 3 coats of this Watco Danish oil. It really protects the handles well.